If the exponent is on more than just x, the power rule alone won't work. This is where the chain rule saves the day. When do we use chain rule? We use it when you have a composite function where one function is nested inside another, or when the exponent is applied to more than just x. Some examples include, let's say your function is 3x plus 1 raised to the power 4, or x squared minus 5 cubed, or square root of 5x minus 2. Here's the chain rule formula. If f of x equals g of x raised to the power n, then its derivative f prime of x is equal to n times g of x to the power n minus 1 times g prime of x. Here's a memory trick. The derivative of the outside times the derivative of the inside. Let's look at our first example. We will find the derivative of f of x equals 3x plus 1 raised to the power 4. Step number 1, differentiate the outside. So we'll bring the power down, 4, times 3x plus 1 to the power 4 minus 1 is 3. Then multiply that by the derivative of the inside, meaning the derivative of 3x plus 1, and that is simply 3. So f prime of x will be equal to 4 times 3 is 12 times 3x plus 1 cubed. Let's see another example. In this example, we will find the derivative of f of x equals x squared minus 5 cubed. So the outside derivative will be 3 times x squared minus 5 squared. And the derivative of the inside, that is the derivative of x squared minus 5, is 2x. So our final answer will multiply the 2. 3 times 2x is 6x. And then times x squared minus 5 squared. So f prime of x will be equal to 6x times x squared minus 5 squared. If this helps, please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us. In this third example, we will find the derivative of f of x equals square root of 5x minus 2. In order to use the power rule, we'll first need to rewrite a radical as an exponent. So f of x is the same as 5x minus 2 to the power 1/2. We can then apply the chain rule. So f prime of x will be the derivative of the outside. So we bring the power down, 1/2 times 5x minus 2 to the power 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2 times the derivative of the inside. The derivative of 5x minus 2 is 5. So simplifying this, if we multiply 5 times 1/2, that's 5 over 2. And 5x minus 2 to the power negative 1/2 could be written as 1 over square root of 5x minus 2. Hence our final answer, f prime of x is equal to 5 over 2 times square root of 5x minus 2. Here are some common reminders. Don't forget, the derivative of the inside function is essential. Missing it is the most common mistake. And remember, power rule plus inside derivative is essentially what the chain rule is. So here are your challenge problems. In the first problem, find the derivative of f of x equals 2x squared plus 3 to the power 4. And in the second problem, you'll need to find the derivative of f of x equals square root of 7x plus 1. The chain rule turns complicated functions into simple ones. Master this and calculus gets much easier. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget, math success starts when you stay on the fast track.